Hey, it's Coleman with cinchsupport.com. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to make a macOS Mojave bootable USB installer. The first thing we're going to do is Google how to upgrade macOS Mojave and find this Apple support document. Halfway down the page, there's a link to the App Store. Click on this link and it'll open up the App Store app. And in the upper right, click Get. This will launch Apple's System Preferences software update, and it'll find Mojave. Click on Download. I've got mine running in fast forward because it does take a little while here. And when it's done, it'll launch the downloaded installer app. The next step is to quit the installer from the menu bar, then go back to your hard drive and open up the Applications folder so that we can double check that the downloaded app is in fact 6 gigs in size. That's how you know it's all downloaded correctly. Next, insert your 16 or 32 gig USB drive, go down to Utilities, and open up Disk Utility. In the upper left, go to View, Show All Devices, and on the left-hand side, we're going to click on the USB device above the volume. In the center, click on Erase, make sure the format is macOS Extended Journaled, the scheme is GUID, and we're going to leave the name as untitled and come back to that later in Terminal. Erase the drive, let it do its thing, click Done, and then we're going to quit Disk Utility. We're also going to close these extra windows just to clean up the space. Then, go down to Terminal, open it up, and type in sudo space. Go back to your Applications folder, find the macOS installer, right-click it, and show package contents. In the Contents folder, in the Resources folder, there's a file called Create Install Media. Drag this file onto the terminal window and let go, and it'll show you the path. Now we're going to type in --volume / volumes with a capital V / the name of our USB, which is untitled, space -- download assets space -- no interaction. Now I'm going to zoom out and you can see this is one long command in Terminal. Hit enter and it'll ask for your computer password. It won't look like it's taking it, but it is. Type it in and hit enter. Now I've got this whole process on fast forward. It usually takes 20 to 30 minutes, but at the end it'll say install media now available. All we have left to do is quit Terminal and eject the drive, and you've got yourself a macOS Mojave bootable USB installer. Be sure to check out the next video on our page, and I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.